Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my 13th lesson of D2 chapter number 2 exercise 2E, that is about solving simultaneous linear equations by substitution or elimination method. In this lesson I will solve intermediate level question number 8. Let me read the question from the book. Question says that use substitution method to solve each of the following pairs of simultaneous equations. Okay, let me move to a part of the question. And a part of the question is, it's really important before solving the question, you have to compare your question with the original question. 2x plus 5y equals to 12, and the second equation is 4x plus 3y equals to minus 4. And the method that we have to apply on this question is the substitution method. If we look at both the equations, we can see that in both the equations the coefficients of x and y are other than 1. So I have to choose any one of the letters that suits me, that I feel is suitable for me for the subject of formula. So from equation 1, let it be equation 1 and this be equation 2. Now what I have to do when I am taking equation 1, 2x plus 5y equals to 12. Now I'm making x the subject of formula, so I have to shift this 5y to other side. So my equation will take the form 2x equals to 12 minus 5y, and in order to make x the subject of formula, I have to shift this 2 to other side. X equals to 12 minus 5y by 2. Now let me block this answer. Here I've turned my x the subject of formula. Now I will be substituting, I will be replacing value of x 12 minus 5y by 2 in second equation. Replace, let it be 3. Okay, let me mark it as A. Replace A in equation 2. It's always good to give these references. So equation 2 will take the form 4x plus 3y equals to minus 4. Instead of x, I have to replace 12 minus 5y by 2, 12 minus 5y by 2 plus 3y equals to minus 4. Now read the table. 2 ones are and 2 twos are 4, and this 2 has to be carefully multiplied with every term inside the bracket, and equation will take the form 12 times 2 is 24 minus 10y plus 3y equals to minus 4. And now 24 has to be shifted to other side, and I will be solving 10y and 3y. Minus 10 plus 3 will give me minus 7y equals to minus 4 minus 24. Now minus 7y equals to 4 and 4 8 minus 28. You should have the command on basic rules of integers and tables. Now I have to shift this 7 to other side, and the equation will take the form y equals to 28 by 7. 7 ones are and 7 fours are. Y equals to 4. So value of one of the variable is 4, that is y. Now what I have to do in order to get value of other variable, replace y equal to 4 in A, and that is x equals to 12 minus 5y by 2, and x will take the form 12 minus 5 times 4, 5 times 4 upon 2, and x equal to 12 minus 20 by 2. X equals to 12 minus 20 is minus 8 by 2, and 2 ones are and 2 fours are x equals to minus 4. X equals to minus 4. So the solution for this situation is x equals to minus 4 and y equals to 4. I hope you are clear about this question. For the next question, let me read the question first and compare it. The B part is that 4x minus 3y equals to 25 and 6x plus 5y equals to 9. Again, we have to solve this question by substitution method. So let me mark the numbers, give some numbers to these equation. Let it be 1 and this be equation number 2. Now, which letter I want to make the subject of formula? Okay, it's my choice. From equation 1, 4x minus 3y equals to 25. I'm going to make x the subject of formula. So for that purpose, I will be keeping 4x on this side and it will take the form 25 plus 3y. Now I need x the subject of formula. So x will be equal to 25 plus 3y by 4. And let me block this answer because we can use this answer for the further calculations, and we have to give some name to this expression as well, like this is B8. Now what I have to do, I have to replace the value of x, that is 25 plus 3y by 4, in the second equation. Replace a in equation 2, and equation 2 will take the form, this is 6x plus 5y equals to 9 instead of x. What I have to do, instead of x, I have to replace 25 plus 3y by 4 plus 5y equals to 9. I can simplify 6 and 4, 2 3s are and 2 2s are. So 3 into 25 plus 3y by 2 plus 5y equals to 9. Now what I have to do, I have to multiply this 3 with every term inside the bracket, and equation will take the form 25 3s is 75 plus 9y upon 2 plus 5y equals to 9. Now I have to take the LCM. So LCM will be 2. So equation will take the form 75 plus 9y plus 10y equals to 9. Shift this 2 to other side. 75 plus 19y, 10 plus 9 is 19y equals to 18. Shift 75 to other side. 19y equals to 18 minus 75. Okay, when I'm taking away 75 from 18, my answer is 57. With minus sign, 19y equals to minus 57, and y will be equal to minus 57 by 19. Read the table. 19 ones are 19 threes are, so y equals to minus 3. You should have the command on the tables, then these questions will not be difficult at all. Now after getting value of the first variable, what I have to do, I have to replace it in any one of the equations to get the value of other unknown. Replace y equals to minus 3 in A. So x can be 25 plus 3y by 4. X can be 25 plus 3 into minus 3 by 4. X equals to 25 minus 9 by 4. 15 minus 9 is 6. 15 minus 9 is 6. And this will be, I hope this is 16. 25 minus 9 is 16. by 4, x equals to 4. So the solution for this problem is x equals to 4 and y equals to minus 3. I hope this question is clear to you, and let's quickly move to the next question, that is C part, and C part is 3x plus 7y equals to 2 and 6x minus 5y equals to 4. Now we have to solve this question by substitution method. Okay, let me take equation 1, and equation 1 can be written in the form 3x plus 7y equals to 2, 3x equals to 2 minus 7y, and x equals to 2 minus 7y by 3. And let me block this expression and the value of x. Here we are making x the subject of formula, and let it be 1a. Now what I have to do, I have to replace this value of x in equation 2. So equation 2 will take the form, okay, replace a in equation 2, and equation 2 will take the form 6x minus 5y equals to 4. Instead of x, replace 2 minus 7y by 3 minus 5y equals to 4. 3 ones are and 3 twos are 6. So I have 2 into 2 minus 7y minus 5y equals to 4. Multiply this 2 with every term inside the bracket. It will take the form 4 minus 14y minus 5y equals to 4. Shift this 4 to other side, and equation will take the form 14 plus 5 is 19 with minus sign. 19y equals to 4 minus 4 minus 19y equals to 0. In order to get value of y, what I have to do, I have to shift this 19 to other side, and equation will take the form y equals to 0 by 19. Whenever numerator is 0, answer will be 0, and y equals to 0. This is value of one of the variable of this question. Now in order to get value of x, what we have to do, let me move on the top side of the page. Replace y equals to 0, replace y equals to 0 in a. Now x equals to 2 minus 7y by 3, and x equals to 2 minus 7 times 0 by 3. X equals to 2, 7 times 0 is 0, minus 0 by 3. And when I take away 0 from any number, I will left with the same number. So x equals to 2 by 3. So the solution for this situation is x equals to 2 by 3 and y equals to 0. I hope you are clear about this lesson. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lesson, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.